In this video, I will show you how to add pages and menu to your WordPress website. To add a menu to your WordPress website, simply go to Appearance and then go to Customize. Here you are on Appearance and then go to Customize. When you are here, then you will see that menus. Click on this one and that menu you have created. I have created this one, main menu. So here I can add a menu. I have different one and I want to add an item. Here you can see I have 1 2 3 4 5 pages and I want to add one more. So add new page, like for example I want to add home and add to it. Okay, now you will see I have home page here and I have home page here. You want to change the order of this menu, so just drag and drag it, and you want to put it as the first page of your website. So now it's here on the, just go to publish it. Okay, so now you have home menu on your screen. Now we are going to we are going to create a new page, and then we are going to add it to the menu, in the required menu which you want. For add new page. Okay, from here you can add new page to your website. I have opened this one, lorem ipsum, to copy the text. We copy this one, it's just example page, and I click just here and give it a title as well, whatever you want. Sample text. Okay, now we want to publish this post. Just look here at permalinks are okay, so it's sample text you are select, so it's fine for me. So publish. If you want to change the text of the paragraph, color, whatever you want, you can play around with it. Okay, so now we are going to view this page, how it look like. So it's look like here, but it's not under the menu. Now we are going to add this page under the menu. So we are going back to admin panel, and once again we will go to appearance, and this time we will go to menu. So here you will see the latest page is on the top. So just select this page and add to menu. The page is added in the last line, in the last, you can see. So now you want to add it to the home page or to any menu, whichever menu you want to add it. I want to add it to the home menu, so just drag and drop. Sorry, it didn't went well. We have to just like this. So sample text, and I want to add it to the home, so I want to add it as a sub item of this page as a home menu. Save menu. Now I'm going to the website to see how it look like. Now look under home menu, so it's sample text page, and it's your brand new page here under your menu. So by this way you can add pages and menus to your websites. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.